truck to Home Depot and picked up a long piece of 2x12 to make some sturdy tables to set the back of the end of the box truck on. So we have all of the U-bolts taken off from out from under the truck. We are going to pick up the truck, the box, and we're going to drive the truck forward a couple feet so that we can finish sealing the front here, because we never got to seal that because it's too close. Couldn't get the caulk gun through there. And we got to put some trim up there too. And then, super exciting, we're going to put a door right there, right where that seat is. We're going to move the seat over to the middle, and we're going to cut a hole. We're going to move the window. We're going to cut a hole in the box. We're going to cut a hole in the truck. And we're going to put this between it. It's going to be exciting. There's mosquitoes everywhere. They're bad.
So it's really easy for us to take this box off the truck because we have airbags on our rear axle, which is this lever right here. And right now we have the whole truck, it's not really supported all the way, but it's about to be, on those tables in the back. But I want to control the way down because this lever is just all up or down. So I put a bottle jack on the rear and I'll dump the airbags right now, and now the weight will be supported by that jack. So now I've deflated the airbags and all of the weight is now held up by this rear jack. So now I can let it down slowly and have it supported.
This was the nerve-wracking part. Moving the truck partially out from under the box, while the box is being held up solely by shop tables and makeshift blocks. We're gonna put it back down on the actual truck so that it doesn't tip over while we're working at it. Yeah, just hold on a minute.
Okay.
Yes. Oh. Okay. Now it is resting on the truck. And there is a hole.
What? Go ahead.
Oh yeah!
You got it?
I do.
Here, want to get down? I'll hand it to you. Or actually, we get to get through here. Look at that.
Hey, look.
Okay, go ahead. Get out of there.
You just took a screw out and it just started leaking.
That's a lot.
It is a lot. That is a whole lot. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
It's still going. Oh, there we go.
Slowing down?
Slowing down a little bit. Yeah. That's a lot of standing water though.
Yeah, it is. Need another screw. Okay.
I don't know if that'll work.
Maybe. So now that we have the truck slid back, we have the back glass taken out, we're ready to cut the door for our pass-through. So I'm just going to do that with just a jigsaw. And I've drawn a line on here. Miss Stephanie picked out a nice radius that she wanted, and so get that cut out and get a pass-through in here.
sprayed me with crap.
You're just breaking all kind of things today.
I'm good. Wow.
That hit you?
Is that what the crap was that hit me?
Yeah. You okay?
Like, yeah, was that?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
You alright? What happened?
I'm good. It hit like eyelid, and that stung a lot, but it didn't get in.
Okay. I didn't expect you to be that close. That you
I was hiding behind this, but I guess it got through somewhere. I was hiding behind the camera. Good thing we didn't scratch the lens. It's completely gone. After we sealed the front panels, cut the pass-through, and removed the window in the cab, we put the wooden post back under the front of the truck and drove back under the box. And upon lowering the box back down onto the rails, we noticed that the box's rails were no longer lined up to the truck's rails. Super carefully, Kimi and I used ratchet straps to slowly ease the box back into center.